Yeah, Romy. Romy? Romy. You chasing rabbits this morning? Your tongue's hanging out. What you doing anyway? Romy. You alright, buddy? Are you stay home, Romy? Are you stay home, Romy? Yeah, sit. Yeah, it's wore out, eh? You wore out, aren't you, buddy? All right. I don't see nothing wrong with you anyway. You just wore out from chasing bunny rabbits, tired. Well, by the Jesus. I gotta tell you, yesterday we were gonna do something. We had a big plan yesterday. Jesus, we just moved the loader. It was over by the barn. I come out of a little shed there, and I looked, and Jesus, look, the tires going down. Well, I'll tell you, we moved the loader over here. I put some steel on it. We're going to put it on the roof. I'll take you out and show you. On the roof out back. And, God damn, the tire went flat just like that. So we jacked her up over here. We got her parked over here where it's at. And we jacked the damn thing up. And you might know it. We just got her up where the tire would come off and the damn thing rolled back. Well, now I've never seen anything like that in my life. God, the loader, when you stop her, she's heavy enough that she leaves an indentation in the ground anyway. How it rolled back is beyond me. Jesus Christ. What a mess we were into then. And the tube inside of it, you could hear it, poop! It let go when it came down all the way, come right down on a swack. Blew the damn tube up. $100. Anyway, me and Romy got to go to town and get one. We're going to town and get one. I checked on Amazon and places like that, and they're no cheaper. So, only $5 in the difference between them and what I can get one up in Summerside for. So I'll go and see Donnie in Summerside. I imagine he's still working there. If he is, it's great. If he ain't, well, not much I can do about it. Taking that load of straw up and put upstairs in the other barn up there, up the road where David lives, and then going to feed it to the bunny rabbits. They got meat rabbits up there, big fellas. Cripes, they got, I think there's one fella there, 25 pounds or more. Anyway, I'll show you my fuse box came from my truck after 12 years or something. A long time, no fuse box. Anyway, the way she goes. There's my tire. There's my tube. When she came down on it, she busted that open there. So, yeah, we'll go to Summerside and get a tube. We tried that jack on. That wouldn't even take the air out underneath it. Yeah. Well, let's fix that damn tire. Get that load of straw put in the loft. Yes, sir. Well, it's just a nice warm day out here. It's a nice day out. cleaned all this up in here. All the bushes and stuff growing in here. God. Anyway, we got a new roof on this building. There's van trailer, but there's we keep a lot of crap in there, eh? A lot of junk. Oh, this is pretty good. Yeah. It's a better looking roof up there now. I got some blocks here to burn. You know me? Romy's checking it out. How you got it? I must show you. How you got it when you get old, folks. I'm telling you. You don't want to be trying stuff on your own. I lit a fire here yesterday and I'm fucking glad Derek was there. If Derek wasn't here, that would have went right across the field. There's no way in hell I could get it stopped. Jesus Christ, no. The only thing I could do is sit down and watch her burn. Wouldn't have enough energy to get to the house phone the fire department. She's been across the field before that happened. Anyway, we're doing what we can do, I guess. Well, kind of a little update, but God almighty, I don't know. There's my fuse box. That's the fuse box I got. I gotta put that on. Small torque. Had a pair of vice grips with it. Can't even, it's so damn dry with them pills I can't even spit. Son of a gun just gags you. Well, oh God. How's this fella behaving? Pretty good? No rats today, eh? No. No, I can't. I don't know where. There's none. I don't think there's any around here now, David. I think that was the last fellow we had. It was in the truck, eh? Yeah. I don't see nothing else to indicate he's around here anymore. The gangsters have arrived. Yeah. We call them fellows the musketeers. That's the last musketeers. You got a burr in your tail there, ducky. If you come over, I'll take it off. You too, Romy, just in about the same spot. Come here, Beanie, you got one? She wants to drink water, David. Have to wipe that green out, get that out of the bucket. Horse won't drink it, or they won't drink it either. Well, we had a couple of pigs, David, or a steer.
Yeah, I'll be able to do a couple of pigs.
Couple of steers. Well, they ain't bad. Pork is damn good if it's raised at home, eh? There's some taste to it. But that stuff up at the store there, if you didn't put mustard on it, you couldn't eat it. Couldn't eat the damn stuff. Happen to be around, keep your eyes open. You might run a good deal on a steer someplace. What? What?
They're expensive to get now, anything.
Oh, yeah. But even though it's expensive as they are, it's $50 or $7 a pound for beef up at the store, eh?
Yeah.
Well, there's a little oats left in there, I think.
Huh?
Got a little bit of stuff left in the dish.
There was 5 gallons in the cart.
What?
Oh,
Yeah. That's enough. They won't eat it. The horse won't eat it. That's only for the dogs. Horse goes down back and get out there. Get out there. Have a drink, Beanie? Want to have a drink, Beanie? We stopped at Phelan's office. I don't know if there's any chance to go and see that specialist or not. Gotta do something, I guess.
he likes the oats.
Yeah. Fucking right, he likes oats. Just pack around hang out for next day or two. Some energy in them. Romy, you come with me there. We're going to town.
Stay home, Rummy. Go for a drive. Come on.
Well, me and you go to town. We're going to get a tube. I'll take you for a drive in the Monarch. And show these people how you drive in the Monarch. Hey, buddy? Okay. That's it.